I welcome you all for today's session, dears. I hope you all are safe at your home. Don't go outside, children. In the previous class, we saw about nouns. Do you all understand about it? Yes, I hope you all understand what is a noun. Once again, we will recap about the nouns. What is a noun? Nouns refers to a place, person, or a thing. A noun is otherwise called as naming words. Very good, children. You all remember this, I think so. So, yesterday I gave you one activity to complete. Do you all done this? If not, kindly do it whenever your parents are free. Ask them to help you to complete this activity. Okay, children? Okay, you have to collect. I'll tell you once again. Fill in the columns with nouns from the story to have been filled for you. So, you can take your story readers and start doing this activity. You have to just write the nouns in the respective columns. See, first column is name column, second column is place column, third column is animal, and the fourth column is thing. So you open the story reader and write the names in the name column, places in the place column. If you find any more animals than the dog, okay. So leave the column as it is. You can go for the next column, things. What are all the things you saw in that story reader? You can include in the things column. Right, children? So, we are going to move to the next topic. Today in this session, we are going to see about the types of nouns. So, you all clear with the nouns, I think so. So, now we move on to the next topic, the types of noun. There are two types of noun. One is common noun and the other one is proper noun. I'll explain what is a common noun. Okay, children? Listen. Common noun is a common name used for a, again I'll read it. Common noun is a common name used for a person, place, or a thing. Okay, children? See, in a person, they have mentioned a girl. Okay, they are mentioning, they are not specifying anything. They are just calling it a girl. Okay. In the place, a common name we called as city. Okay. Or a thing. In the thing, they have given toy. You can take any toys. Okay, children? This is a common noun. Girl, city, toy. These are the common nouns. A common noun refers to a general word for a person, place, thing, or an idea. You can say, for example, a dream. Okay. Dream is also a common noun. Next, the examples given here for common nouns. Let us look at it. First, house. See, this is a common noun. House is a common noun. Next, car. Car is a common noun. Here, dog. Dog is also a common noun. Boat, common noun. Door, mother, desk, love. These are all common nouns. Okay, children? Next, we are moving to proper nouns. Okay. I tell you what is a common noun. Now we are going to move proper noun. If you understand the proper nouns, you will easily get to know what is a common noun. See, listen, I'll tell you what is a proper noun. A proper noun is a special name that names a particular place, person, place or thing. Again, I'll read for you. A proper noun is a special name that names a particular person, particular place or particular things. For example, Roy. In the common noun, we'll call him just a boy. But in the proper noun, we are calling it with a name given to him. He is a boy. But what is the name of this boy? Yes, Roy. So we are particularing the person by giving specific name to the boy. This is called Roy. So this is a proper noun. Okay. See, R. The name starts with R, but in the capital letter. Okay. Next we go to the place. This is the city. Okay, this is the place. We call it as city or town. But what town is that? Eden town. Eden town. So we are calling a town with a name called Eden town. Understand, children? Next we'll move to the another place. This is a palace. Okay. But what palace? This is a noun, only palace noun. So what palace is this? Sunset Palace. So we are giving it with a name, right? So, if you want to say the common name means that is just a palace. But in the proper noun, what we call it as a Sunset Palace. We are giving a name to the particular place. So that is called Sunset Palace. This Sunset Palace, we are giving some name to the common noun, right? So that is called a proper noun. Understand, children? So again I'll read. A proper noun can be made up of more than one word. Okay, see, Sunset Palace, 2 words are there, right? So more than one word is given to the proper noun. Okay, children? And note this important thing I'll tell you. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Understand this? I'll pointing out. Capital letter. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. Yes, see here. R is capital. E is capital. S is a capital. Okay, so it starts with the capital letter. So this is called a proper noun. So do you all understand what is a common noun and proper noun? Yes, very easily we can identify what is a common noun and what is a proper noun. Okay, children? See, again I'll tell you, proper noun is a specific name for a person, place or a thing. Okay. See, there we just saw she is a girl, no? But here they have mentioned Emily. See, in the previous common noun we saw girl. She is just a girl. This is just a city and this is just a toy they have mentioned. They don't mention any names. This is a common noun. See the heading. Common noun. Girl, city, toy. In the person they have mentioned girl, place they have mentioned city, thing they have mentioned just a toy. But see, this in the proper noun. See, I will underline and show you. This is a proper noun. In the person they give Emily. Instead of girl they have given Emily. In the place they have given Seattle. Instead of city they have given Seattle. In the thing, instead of calling it a toy, what toy is this? Yes, it is a teddy bear. See, all the letters starts with the capital letter. Starting letter begins with the capital. Okay, so this is a proper noun. Understand, children? Shall we move to the next one? Yes. Here you are going to find the nouns from the given sentence. Okay, children, I'll read the sentence for you. Listen carefully, and you have to collect the nouns. You tell to your mother. If your mother or father is nearby, you find the nouns from this given sentence and say the nouns to your parents. Okay, children? Okay. First, I will read for you. Divya lives with her parents, her brother Arun and Cookie. Cookie is their pet dog. Second sentence, Cookie is their pet dog. Okay, children? Next. Third one, Salma lives with her mother. So, in this three sentence, what you have to do? Find the nouns from the given sentence. Okay? You have to find the nouns from the given sentences. I'll give you 1 minute time. You find the nouns and tell to your parents. If you want, you can write and show to your parents. Okay, children. So, I'll give you the answer. Yes, the nouns are highlighted in violet color. Okay. Divya is a noun. Parents is a noun. Brother is a noun. Arun is a noun. Cookie is a noun. Whatever we are calling it with a name, that is called a noun. So, noun is a naming word, right? So, whatever or whomever we are calling it with a name, that is called a noun. So, Divya is a name. Parents is, we are calling. Brother, Arun, Cookie, these are all the naming words, right? Cookie, dog, Salma, mother, these are all the calling naming words, right? Divya, parents, again I'll tell you, Divya, parents, brother, Arun, Cookie, again Cookie, dog, Salma, mother. So, you all collect the nouns from here, but we are going to separate these nouns into two columns. What are the types of nouns? I told you. Yes, common noun and proper noun. So, these words we are going to separate in a common and proper noun. Okay. So, I will tell the word, you tell whether it is a common noun or a proper noun. Okay. So, first I will underline and show you. Divya. This is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, this is a common proper noun. Why? Because the first word starts with Divya and we are not calling her as a girl. We are giving a name to that particular girl and the word starts with the capital letter. These are the points to remember for proper noun. Okay, so this is the proper noun. Okay, children. Next, parents. This is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, common noun. We are just calling as a parent, right? Okay, next, brother. Brother is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, common noun. Okay, but Arun, we are giving the name to the brother. What name? Arun, and it starts with capital letter. So, this is the proper noun. Okay, children. Next, Cookie. Cookie is a proper or common noun? See the first letter and say easily. Yes, this is the capital. But Cookie is a dog, right? But we are giving a name to the dog and we are calling it as Cookie. So, this is the proper noun. Understand, children? Very good. So here the same word cookie is repeating. You all know this is a what noun? Yes, proper noun. You have to circle the first letter and say whether it is common or proper noun. For your easy understanding, I am telling you. Okay, children. Dog. We are just calling it as a dog. This is a yes, common. Next, a girl name. What is the girl's name? Yes, Salma. See the first letter starts with capital. So, this is a common or proper? Common noun. Yes, this is a proper noun. Not a common noun, but it is a proper noun. Next word, mother. Mother is a yes, common noun. Okay, children. Next. See, once again I'll tell you proper noun. What proper noun is saying here? I am a special name. What name? Special name for a person, place or thing. Now, in the common noun, what it is telling? Common noun. I am a common name for a person, place or thing. So, special name or particular name is a proper noun. Just a common name is a common noun. Understand, children? Very good. Once again, I'll say common name refers to any person, place or idea, thing or idea. Does not begin with a, listen here, does not begin with a capital letter, okay, but proper noun names a specific person, place or thing, begins with a capital letter. Understand, children? Very good. See, the nouns are highlighted in violet color. You all identified this, no? Easily. Now you understand how the words are, why the words are written in capital, some words. Okay. The words starts with capital, the nouns starts with capital letter is called proper noun. And the other common names are common nouns. Okay, children? See, I have separated as common noun and proper noun. Wait, I'll point it out. See, this is a girl. Just we are calling a girl, but the girl's name is Divya. What is the girl's name? Divya. And it starts with D capital. Next, common noun, dog. And the name for the dog. We have given the name to the dog, right? What is the name for the dog? Cookie. Yes, it starts with capital letter. See, I'll circle the capital letters for your better understanding. Now, the other example, we are calling just a school. But what school? We are giving some name to the school, right? So, Jairam Public School, and it starts with the capital letter in the front, first letter. See, but common nouns all will start with the small letters only. Okay, children. Next example, fruit. In the proper noun, what fruit we particularly want now? Yes, apple or mango. You can write any other particularing some fruits, right? So that fruit name starts with capital letter. Next, same thing, vegetable. What vegetable we want? Brinjal. That is a proper noun. Understand, children? See, I have clearly given you a arrows to make you clear. So, the nouns are classified into two types. One is proper noun, the other one is common noun. Proper noun, they have a name. Common noun, they do not have any name. See the examples, you will understand more clearly. Proper noun, these are all. So we are giving a name to the nouns, common nouns. So this in common noun, see car, but in the proper noun we have mentioned what car? Audi car. Very good. Second, in the common noun we have mentioned tree, but what tree in the proper noun? Mango tree. Third one, fruit. What fruit we want? Yes, apple or some other fruits you can write which you like. Next, the fourth one is vegetable. What vegetable? Yes, capsicum. So I understand you all will clearly know about what is the common noun and proper noun. Now you all take your little thinker, page number 7. I'll read the title. Color the nouns. Use blue for common nouns. This is a what to say. You can assess this activity through your parents. Parents, kindly help your children whether they are doing it correctly or not. Okay. So use blue for common nouns. See, read the words given inside the fish. You have to color the nouns. Just we are going to color the nouns. Here blue for common nouns. Use red for proper nouns. Write your name in the blank fish. See, in this fish you have to write your name. Yes, okay. And color it. What color you will give? Whether blue or red. Blue is for common noun. Red is for proper noun. Okay, children. So complete this activity with the help of your parents. If you have any doubt, ask your parents to help you out through this video. Okay, children? We will meet in the next session. Okay, children? Thank you. Bye. Take care of yourself.